Let's look at this problem. Given a is equal to 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 6 by 6 factorial plus x power 9 by 9 factorial, so on, and b is x plus x power 4 by 4 factorial, x power 7 by 7 factorial, x power 10 by 10 factorial, so on. C is x square by 2 factorial, x power 5 by 5 factorial, x power 8 by 8 factorial, so on. If a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus z a b c equal to 1, then find the value of z. So here if I see this, so if I add a plus b plus c, if I add a plus b plus c, so it is like 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, x power 4 by 4 factorial, so on. So this is e power x, because e power x is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial. So a plus b plus c will contribute to e power x again. So if I see the second one, a plus b omega plus c omega square, a plus b omega plus c omega square, so it will be 1 plus omega x plus omega square x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus omega power 4 x power 4 by 4 factorial, so on. So here we are considering omega is cube root of unity, so omega cube is equal to 1. So what we do is 1 plus omega x plus omega square x square by 2 factorial, x cube will write as omega cube x cube, so that all terms will be omega x. So this is e power omega x. Again consider a plus b omega square plus c omega power 4. So if I consider that, I will get 1 plus omega square x plus omega power 4 x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial omega square x power 4 by 4 factorial, so on. So this will write as this as omega square x. This is omega square x whole square by 2 factorial, and omega cube is 1, omega power 6 is also 1, so this will write as omega square whole cube by 3 factorial, because omega power 6 will get. So again this also omega square x whole power 4 by 4 factorial will write, because omega square power 4 is omega power 8, omega power 8 is omega square again, because omega cube is 1, omega power 6 is also 1, omega power 8 is omega square. So this is e power omega square x. So we have three equations. So a plus b plus c is equal to e power x, a plus b omega plus c omega square is equal to e power omega x, a plus b omega square plus c omega power 4 is equal to e power omega square x. So if I multiply all these three equations, a plus b plus c, a plus b omega plus c omega square, a plus b omega square plus c omega power 4 is equal to e power x plus omega x plus omega square x, because a power m into a power n into a power p, a power m plus n plus p. So e power x into 1 plus omega plus omega square. As omega cube is equal to 1, this value will be 0, right? So e power 0 is 0 into x, so e power 0, which is 1. So this we have to multiply. So already we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Similarly, a plus b plus c, and this can be factorized as a plus b omega plus c omega square into a plus b omega square plus c omega. So, if I see this, c omega power 4 is here, omega power 4 is nothing but omega only, right, because omega cube is 1, so omega power 4 will be omega. So, this value is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 1. So, the value of z is 3. So, what we are doing? We are adding the equations directly, and then we are considering a cube root of unity, and we are multiplying by omega. The first one we are keeping as it is. So, in the second step we are multiplying by omega for b and omega square for c, and in the third one we are multiplying omega square for b and omega power 4 for c, so that we are getting e power x, e power omega x, e power omega square x. So, when we multiply all three together, we will get the required form, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 1.